Tired of slow and labor-intensive wall plastering? This machine's got you covered. Meet the Darutu automatic plastering machine, a modern upgrade in the world of construction. Unlike traditional methods that require countless hours and tedious manual labor, this machine's speed will blow your mind. It can cover 4 square meters per minute. That means it can plaster 1,500 square meters in just a single day. But speed is just the beginning. The accuracy it offers is unmatched. With advanced sensors and microcomputer-controlled technology, the Darutu ensures that the plaster is applied smoothly and consistently, eliminating any uneven finishes. It works well with any wall height, up to 3.2 meters, and can plaster a width of 1.2 meters in one go. It guarantees perfect plaster thickness and a high-quality wall finish every time. But it's not just about speed and quality. This plastering machine is designed for versatility. Whether you're working with cement, gypsum, or lime-based plasters, this tool can handle it all. Its durability is another standout feature. Built tough, it can withstand the harsh conditions of a construction site, meaning you won't have to worry about repairs or replacements anytime soon. Environmentally conscious? This machine is also eco-friendly. By reducing waste and minimizing water usage, it makes your construction project greener and more sustainable. Its adjustable settings make it adaptable to different construction needs. Gone are the days when plastering was a grueling physical task. This machine guarantees you'll plaster more, faster, and smarter with less effort and perfect results every time. Would you trust this machine for your next project?